Every morning, little Anu visited her grandma's tiny garden behind the house. It wasn't big or fancy, but to Anu, it felt like a magical place. Grandma moved slowly, with her silver hair tied in a neat bun. "Plants are like people," she would say gently. "They need care, patience, and love." One day, Anu noticed a small plant that looked weak and bent. "This one won't grow, Grandma," she said sadly. Grandma smiled. "Let's not decide too soon." Together, they watered it every day. Grandma spoke to it softly, and Anu even sang a little song. Days passed, then weeks. One bright morning, a tiny green bud appeared. "Grandma, look!" Anu shouted with joy. Grandma chuckled. "See, sometimes, the quietest things just need time." Anu looked at the little plant, now standing tall, and hugged her grandma tightly. From that day on, she understood, love and patience can make anything grow.